Hi everybody, this is Tom Stubbs with RE/MAX Equity Group, and guess what? The February 2025 Market Action Report for the Portland metro area just came out, maybe about 4 or 5 days ago, so I thought I would kind of go over the results that were in here, share that with you as kind of a monthly market update for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. The first category that I like to talk about is closed sales. So how many closed sales did we have during the month of February 2025? So that number is 1,428. You compare that to last year, 2024, that number was 1,213. So we actually had a pretty big jump, over 200 homes more sold, closed in February compared to the year before. If we look at it year to date, so far this year we've had 2,683 closed sales compared to 2,433. So once again, about a 250 home difference. So that's pretty significant, really. If we look at pending sales, that's another statistic I like to watch because that's kind of giving us an idea of what's going to be happening in the future. The pending sales we have that took place last month were 1,648, and if you compare that to last year, the number was 1,719. So we actually had a drop in the number of pending sales in 2025 compared to 2024. Year to date for pending sales, we're still up a little bit though. So we have 3,246 pending sales so far this year compared to 3,161 last year. So next category would be new listing, how many new homes came on the market. So last month, February 2025, we had 1,930 new listings come on the market. And if you compare that to last year, it was 2,085. So once again, a little bit less. If we look at the year-to-date numbers, it's kind of holding true. They're still up. We're at 4,166 active listings that have came on the market so far this year compared to 4,042. So a difference of about 100 homes, so not that big of a difference. So what I also like to talk about is the total number of listings that are on the market. So if we look at this year, at the end of February 2025, it was 4,586. And if you compare that to last year, that number was 3,650. So a dramatic increase in the number of listings on the market. If we go back one more year, it's even more dramatic. If we look at 2023, there were 2,768 active listings in February compared to 4,586 for this year. So that's an increase of over 65% in the total number of active listings. Next category I like to talk about is total days on market. How long does it take before a home gets an accepted offer? So this year right now, in February, it was 79 days before an accepted offer was received on a house. If you look at last year, it was 78 days. So really not a significant change. So everybody's always curious about appreciation and how the market's changing and how about prices. So right now, the average listing price or the average sales price is $612,900. And if we compare that to last year, it was $599,900. So that's an increase of about 2.1%. So kind of what I'm reading from this is it seems like we started very, very strong in January, but things have slowed down a little bit for the month of February. So we're about at the same pace, but if we would have stayed at the January pace, we'd really be ahead of things. So that's something to kind of keep in mind. I think things are going to continue to maybe pick up a little bit, hopefully, as we get closer into spring and summer. Interest rates have been falling. We're running around 6.7, give or take a little bit, which is a little bit less than last year. So, and if things start to get even below 6.5%, I think we could see a real big change. So anyway, hopefully that information is interesting for you. If you ever have any questions about the Portland or Washington market, don't hesitate to give me a call. You could reach me at 503-869-4744. Once again, this is Tom Stubbs with RE/MAX Equity Group, and I hope you have a great day.